Hello everyone, my name is Pavita, Assistant Professor in CSC Department at RPIIT Campus Pastada, Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academic. If you like the content of this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and save the content. Let's talk today class and object. A class. Class is a user-defined data type to implement an abstract object. Abstract means to hide the details. A class is a combination of data and functions. Data is called as data member and functions are called as member functions. Abstract data type. A data type that separate the logical properties from the implementation detail called abstract data type called ADT. An abstract data type is a set of objects and associated set of operations on those objects. ADT support data abstraction, encapsulations and data hiding. Example of ADT are Boolean, integer, array, stack, queue, tree search structure. Built-in ADT, tree search structure, user-defined, Boolean operations and or not and value are true and false. Queues operations are create, dequeue, enqueue and value are queue elements. Class definition. A class definition being with the keyword class. The body of class is contained within set of braces. Notice the semicolon that is define any valid identifier, class body data member method. Within the body of keyword private and public, specify the access level of the member of the class. The default as private. Usually the data member of a class are declared in the private section of the class and the member function are in public section. Data member or member functions may be public, private or protected. Public means data member or member functions defining inside the class can be used at outside the class in different class and in main functions. Member access specifiers public can be accessed outside the class directly. The public stuff in the interface. Private. Accessible only the member function of class. Private member and method are formal and for internal use only. Private means data member and member functions cannot be used outside the class. Protected means data member and member functions can be used in the same class and its derived class at one level, not in function. Characteristic of member functions. Different classes have some functions named the membership label will resolve their scope. Member functions can access the private data of the class. Non-member functions cannot do this. Friend function can do this. A member function can call another member function directly without using the dot operator. Assessing class member. Operator to assess class member, identical the use of structure, dot member section, operation and operate, object reference to object, a row member section, operate pointer. Static member. The data functions of the class may be declared static in the class declaration. The static data member have similar properties to the C static variable. The static data member is initialized with 0 when the first object of a class is created. No other initialization is permitted. Only one copy of that member is created for the entire class and it's shared by all objects of that class no matter how many objects are created. It is visual only within the class but its lifetime is the entire program. Object type. There are four types of object: external global object, automatic local object, static object, and dynamic object. External global object. These objects have existed throughout the lifetime of program and having file scope. Automatic represents and visible only throughout the local scope in which they are created. Static object throughout a program but only visible with their local scope. Dynamic object lifetime may control within the particular scope.